Hello everyone and welcome back. Let's create the React.js or the front or the website of our simple video calling application. To do that, we need to first download Node.js. You can go to the official website nodejs/en/download and choose your OS to download. Press download and install it. Then you need to choose an IDE to develop codes. You can use WebStorm, IntelliJ, or VS Code, and everything that you need that works with JavaScript files. I'm gonna create a new project and name it Simple Video Call React.js. Let's create this one. And let's go to the terminal tab. Let's see the up one time. Now it's time to write npm create Vite. We use Vite to create the React.js project. It's way much easier. Vite adds latest and write the name of it. Press enter. We use the package name simple video called React.js. Select the React as the template, and it's going to be a simple JavaScript. Now we should be able to cd to simple video call right here. And if you check the package.js, you can see the dependencies here that are needed to be added here. So you can either press run npm install or write npm I here to install the dependencies that we need. After adding dependencies, and you see that the Node module is being created. Now let's remove ESLints because it's not like a production project, so it just starts annoying us. Let's just remove them. Also links here. Now looks like we are ready to launch our application. But first, let's npm I again. Now we can use npm run dev. If we open the app, you can see the template of Vite plus React is launched successfully. Also, we should go to the main.jsx and remove this strict mode because we are inside the development mode, so we don't want to restrict here anything. After running successfully, we have to add two more packages. The first one is React icons and React router DOM. Let's install these packages. Let's run it again to see if we're good. Yes, it's working. Let's go ahead and create the structure of our class. I'll start with adding the images that I need for my components inside my main route. So let's go inside our src or source package. I will start by adding a new directory and name it components. The next one is going to be screens. And the next one is going to be socket, which is our socket clients. Next one is utils. Now let's go ahead and create my main screen .jsx file. It's going to be a const of main screen, and it will return a simple div at the moment without anything. So let's go inside my app.jsx file. Const app should actually simply just return browser routes, and for the routes we will only have one simple route with the path of slash, which is the main, and the element is going to be main screen. Make sure you'll import main screen from screen/main screen. Also go here and export default main screen. So right here for test, we want to add an h1, say hello. If I go to the terminal and write pm run dev, we should be able to see this hello here. So we successfully set up our structure of the project. Let's move to the next video and add a socket client to connect to the WebSocket. Till the next video, see you everyone.